Hey guys, welcome to Instant Torque, and today we're taking a look at the Mclaren 720S Spider behind me at Long Island Sports Cars today. And as you guys can see, it's Aztec Gold and it's completely awesome. And today, as you guys can see, we have the keys to the 720S and this nice Aztec Gold, and it's a demo and it's so awesome. Literally, it being a Spider gives it a whole brand new look, which looks absolutely amazing, having that open top now and still having the 720S's visibility, which is really good with the buttresses. As you guys can see right here, you still have this glass that is perfectly sculpted so that air can still travel throughout the car's dihedral doors. And that's one thing I love about this car. This car's still aerodynamic. It's a Spider and it's completely awesome. And you guys could have so much fun. And by the way, here at Long Island Sports Cars, they're taking orders right now, which is absolutely insane, because I think you guys should definitely get this thing if you guys are in the market for one. And any Aston Martin, and also there's a P1 over there, which we'll go take a look at in just a little bit. But 720S Spider, and also always don't forget to subscribe because we're just getting started. Really quickly, you guys already know like everything about the Mclaren 720S, so I'm just gonna run through it really quickly. If you guys really don't know about it, you guys could skip like a little bit beforehand. But the 720S, it has a 4-liter V8, of course, which you guys already know, 710 horsepower, 568 pound-feet of torque, and this thing is just absolutely quick, absolutely fast. And I mean, its top speed is 212 miles per hour. It's quick. It's a very quick car, believe it or not. But it's quick and it's fast and it's very agile. If the Senna was here, I would have compared this car to the Senna, but you can never compare this thing to the Senna. But it is completely awesome, and I just love the Aztec Gold. And as I already told you guys could have skipped ahead. And really quick, I'm just gonna talk about the carbon fiber work and the aerodynamics of this car, because it is so aerodynamic, even though some of the elements of it being aerodynamic is hidden. Like, if you look at the front headlamp right here, it's open. It's not a full-on headlamp like with Lamborghini or any other manufacturer. It is cut open to where it goes into the air intakes through the front headlamps, goes throughout the wheel well, goes throughout the dihedral doors, going through the door right here into the side intake, coming outside through the brand new buttress that the car has, and you still don't lose visibility with having the glass, and comes out to the rear where you have this beautiful rear end to where it's open, and also you have an active Aero spoiler, which is absolutely astonishing. So really quickly guys, you see the roof. When the roof is up on the 720S Spider, it's literally like this, and it's like a laminated, so it blocks out the sun. But then you could hit this button right here and it lightens up fully, and you can hit the button again and it blocks out the sun and everything else. And then let's do it again, and boom, you can see clearly and have the sun come completely through. And another cool feature about the 720S Spider is that because in a normal 720S you have this storage compartment right here, but now since it's the Spider, you don't have it right there. So you open up the door, so there will be a button right here which will open up the back to where it reveals that you have like a little storage compartment right there to put something in if you want it, and you could just put it back down and you have a little storage compartment right there. And as you can see, still, since it's the Spider, you don't have that right there. Only in the Coupe you will have it, and you have this like little luggage space right here, like a little netting. So really quickly, as I have the 720S Spider's doors up, these are dihedral doors, as they actually do come out a tiny bit and they actually go up and they look astonishing. One thing I love about the 720S, you have this great trunk. You have great storage in all of these McLarens, which is absolutely good for long journeys. And then also you have a fire extinguisher, which, funny joke, at Salamandrin. But you have this huge storage space in the front, which could fit, like I'll say, like 2-3 bags depending on how you pack. But it's very awesome. And it's just absolutely cool, and I love how you have all of this in carbon fiber, because this is the performance package, which comes with all the external carbon fiber components all over the car. And also you have these brand new wheels for the 720S, which are the brand new lightweight wheels, which are absolutely beautiful, of course, and I just love the way it's designed. And of course the car is running on Pirelli P0s, as always. They're very sticky. You could also opt in for the Trofeo Rs, but these new wheels, they're looking very good on the 720S Spider, and they're also on the normal 720S, so you guys could definitely add it to your car. Really quickly, guys, my friend Lyle Maldonado just called me while I'm here at Long Island Sports Cars. Say what's up, Lyle.
Yo, what's up, guys? Me and Jordan in Centaur, we're gonna be doing collabs in the future. I do a lot of supercar rallies and real crazy content. If you guys watch daily driving designs, we do donuts and Lamborghini. Alright guys, so if you want to see crazy stuff like that, Jordan will leave a link to my YouTube channel in the bio, and we're gonna be doing some collabs soon. Maybe some Lambo donuts, who knows? Peace.
Very quickly, we're getting in the 600 LT with bucket seats, and oh man, so much better than the comfort seats. Oh, I actually missed the 600 LT because this is the dream car that I do want for the channel. Like Parker from Vehicle Virgins got one. Everyone's getting a 600 LT that couldn't get a McLaren Senna. And these things, they're really worth their bang for their buck. They're better than a purple Monte, and that's coming from someone that loves Lamborghini at heart. Like, I mean, Fruccio Lamborghini, you made some beautiful cars. And these seats comfort me well. I'm a fairly smaller person, I'm 5'8.5", and these seats do comfort me very well and support the shoulders fairly well. And I love these orange seat belts. It matches the gray exterior of the car, and you still get that awesome visibility, of course, throughout. And then also you get a McLaren P1 in front of you, and this awesome 12 o'clock stitching, which I extremely love. And for this car having fixed Aero and all this other crap, and also the thing shoots massive flames out the rear, which is completely awesome. But these seats are definitely worth it. I love the 600 LT, and I think I gotta add this car to the list, like Damon from Daily Driven Exotics always says, add it to the list. And Life of Polos, if you're watching this because you recently liked one of my photos and also followed me, stay tuned because we have a lot going on, especially at the New York Auto Show, as I will be the Yesco Man, which I will be revealing what Yesco Man is going to be. And also stay tuned for a couple more vlogs, because I will be actually doing a couple workout vlogs and a couple business vlogs, and also a lot of different types of videos as I am growing up and I'm officially 16, which is weird to say because I've been doing this since I was 14, and now I'm really doing the things that I want with these cars, and I'm actually being able to experience different things, which is really cool. And I want to take you guys on an awesome journey of my life and what I exactly do so I could do this cool stuff with McLaren of Long Island sports cars, Porsche South Shore, Manhattan Motor Cars, all the dealerships I go to, and also take you guys in my life of what my financial life is like right now, because I'm only 16. I'm lucky enough to be grown up in a fairly successful family, and I want to do more, and it's all up to me and what I do that will make me get a McLaren or any other car or any other business, any other thing that I want to do in this life. It's all up to me, so I have to make my own decisions, and I want to take you guys on that journey so you guys could see what it's like being 16 and going through what life has to hold for a 16-year-old and just any teen out there. That's the whole entire thing on why I started this channel, was to show other teens out there and to show other people out there that if you put your mind to it, you will succeed, as I am succeeding as a 16-year-old. I don't make that much money, but I plan to make tons of it in the future. That's the whole entire thing. You want to plan for the future, and you want to make sure that you set goals for yourself, and that's what I'm doing. I'm setting goals and I'm accomplishing them, and that's what life is about. You set goals, you accomplish them, and you succeed in life. That's what your life is supposed to behold, as I believe. But other people will say different things. If you guys liked it, you guys liked it. If not, then it's whatever. But let's get a 600 LT. Let me show you guys the P1 really quickly. You guys will extremely love this. The McLaren P1, as I was showing you guys. We've seen it a couple of times. You guys have seen it a couple of times on the channel. It is absolutely beautiful, and the car is in race mode right now. It's in ice silver MSO color, but it's in race mode right now, and it is fairly low to the ground. It's literally about my foot to the ground, which is really awesome. I love the way the car sits. But let me know in the comment section, guys, do you guys like the McLaren P1 or do you guys prefer the Senna? But I prefer the Senna because it's lighter, but overall, of all McLarens, I prefer the 600 LT, as I do want to eventually add a 600 LT to the list. And if you guys haven't already, go watch the video I did on the 600 LT, which is right here in Mawine orange with blue calipers, which looks absolutely beautiful. But as always, it's always awesome to be working with all these companies I always do. Make sure to come down here at Long Island Sports Cars if you guys are interested in a 720S Spider to order one. Make sure to come down here and tell them that Jordan had sent you. And further ado, we're ending this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.